www.speak-english-fluently.net.
Rick meets his cousin for lunch. Simone, right?
You're my cousin, Rick? I was so worried that the waitress might point me to the wrong table.
Are You My Cousin would make a great children's book. However, I am indeed your cousin. Have a seat.
Thank you. Grandmother Marie was so excited for us to get together. I think my family stayed at your house once when I was little. We went to some restaurant.
That was you guys? Didn't we pick all the little plastic grapes off of the fruit centerpiece?
Yes, that was me. And then we filled the hollow plastic grapes up with tea.
Then stop them up with napkins?
Oh, that is so awful. I hope they managed to put the fruit back together.
Maybe they hired an interior decorator.
Funny you should say that. I am an interior decorator myself.
Oh, wonderful! I think that makes up for our poor dinner behavior when we were children.
Yes, and we'll tip our waitress an extra today, too.
www.speak-english-fluently.net